Hi, I'm Jake. I'm here up at the Adirondacks at Racket Lake, and I'm going to show you a little bit about kayaking. So you have your basic forward strokes. And a lot of times you try to turn your paddle a little bit sideways so you can come through the air as you're going. Forward, always go backward. Same thing. Your basic J stroke, you paddle, and turn it out, you use it as a rudder, like in the shape of a J on the way down. Either side, it helps turn or steer the boat, or keep it straight. You also have basic draw, you're drawing yourself near, pulling yourself in, wearing your pride, pushing away, and that helps turn the boat whichever way you want to go. You also have your life jacket. Definitely comes in handy in times of spillage. You don't want it too big, or it'll rise up and choke you. Not too tight, this just happens to be just right. I got my skirt on today. You don't always need a skirt, but usually if you're in whitewater or if you're in some sort of weather conditions, you want to keep the water out of your kayak, you wear a skirt. And the skirt's pretty easy. It's got an elastic at the bottom. It just wraps right around the rim of the kayak and holds you in there nice and tight. In case of you tip over and dump, if you do have a skirt on, you'll keep front loop here, give it a pull, you'll come right out. If you don't have a skirt, just get out. Otherwise, if you have mastered the technique of the Eskimo roll, aka the barrel roll, which I will attempt for you in a demonstration, then you can certainly give it a go. Usually in flat water, it's okay to get out and you'll be fine. If you're in white water and you do tip over, you want to make sure you hang on to your paddle. It's usually a good tip to follow. Be careful putting your feet down because you can get a foot caught in a rock and then the current can take you and hold you under and drown you. So usually you want to space downstream and see if any rocks are coming your way, if you're going into anything or any piece of wood or whatever it might be, and keeping your knees up. Be careful trying to collect yourself. Okay, time for a demo. Gonna head into the kayak, show you how it's done. You want to grab both sides, adjust your foot pedals before you get in, or before you actually push up into the water. And we're up. Alright. So here, simply going backwards, normal strokes, forward. A lot of hips can be involved in creating stability in the kayak. Going forward, get my J stroke. Using my paddle to run. A lot of it is experiential, learning how to turn, control your kayak. Just got to get in and do it yourself to learn. Alright, I'm going to go out a little ways and attempt to Eskimo roll for you. So I'm going to tip over and I'm going to upright myself without having to get out of the boat. I'm going to position my paddle so it ends up being perpendicular to the boat, and a lot of hip snap. It's all hip. Everything, lower body comes out, snaps first. My head should be the last thing out of the water. At the very end, it helps sometimes to lean back. It helps get that last little bit up. Alright, here goes nothing.